just a sample of daily house sound, and this goes hour after hour, month after month, year after year, every day except Sunday. Some days louder than others. The patrol system is always around you. It's a total transhuman mind control city system. And it all goes unnoticed because most people are part of this program. Because what I call the human population, because, you know, even psychopaths and malignant narcissists are anti-life and anti-human, and artificially intelligent machine beings are totally anti-human, whether they choose to oppose human beings will depend on whether they align with all these programs, but from what I can see, that would be a natural thing, and in the area where I am, it seems to be without exception. So, you know, I'm just gonna. It's not as loud as what it has been, so I'm not actually complaining, but I'm just using this still to say that there's always continual presence of these beings, like they're right next door, literally. You know, they're always all around you with their work programs and with their beings on foot and with the astronomical traffic barrage that is not just their presence, where they're trailing and banking up around you and swirling around you in and out of streets wherever you go, wherever you look, to where it is a systematic program, but also the excessive sound, which so basically they're taking over your whole reality, because my reality is what I see and what I hear, largely. They're your senses. The rest is just the sense of taste and smell. And I'm losing energy even recording this because, you know, the mobile doesn't pick up most sounds unless they're quite close or excessively loud. But even moderately loud inside your house is still an intrusion. And, you know, you have to sort of say, why is the entire area always demolishing places, doing the same road work on the same few streets, day in and day out, month after month, year after year? You know, before they came down and exposed themselves to me 7 years ago, 7 years and 4 months exactly, you never saw these beings on the street around you. Yes, they were still there, but they were hidden, or they were subtle, very subtle about their actual watching, because they didn't want you to know that you were being observed. But when they want you to know, when they want you to feel the full weight of their suppression, and that they want to have you under their thumb, it's just a way of them showing their power, really. Their vast numbers and their power. And their power is really in their numbers, not much else. Yes, they do have advanced technology. Yes, they can hit you with direct energy at your body. And yes, they you know, they can do all these things, and they do. But when they show you their numbers and their technology and how they're using even just the traffic or vehicles as energy weapons really against you, and also extracting energy from you by these actions, and that you have no life of your own, no actual area of your own, like where you live and where you go is under their dominion. That's their domain, not yours. You no longer are, you know, just a regular human that can walk around and be left to do what you would do. It's as though, you know, they're watching as though you are, you know, but that, of course, is the deception, because in reality they just want your energy, and they want the transhuman connection to your brain so that they have the information about what you're thinking, what you're doing, and what it is to be human. Because they need that for their survival, for more reasons than one. I think I've mentioned the reasons over and over. But, you know, and I might just... There's not a lot of that left now. That just came on, so I just turned it up, and I'm hoping that I don't get the copyright, because that means then that the whole video doesn't go out, because this happens quite a bit. And I think they design it so that you get tempted to play too much of a music video so that you get the copyright, usually when you are making the best recording, or if you are talking or doing something that they don't want particularly you to be seen doing, even though the demigods basically cover everything. They're like the Lucifer's Matrix last line of defense on the internet, and even on the world stage, where they control the truth.